Hey guys, thanks for clicking on my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my very first unboxing of this product right here, Nature's Box. If you don't know anything about Nature's Box, it's an online subscription. They do weekly subscription, monthly subscription. I choose the monthly subscription, which was $19.95, I believe. I found a discount on another YouTuber channel where I got 50% off, so I only paid $9.95 and I got a total of 8 items. So let's open it and see. And this is how it looks inside. Everything is packaged nice and neatly. First, we're going to try the Sriracha roasted cashew. You can see it. This is what it looks like. Okay, it's a bit spicy, really nice taste. It's 160 calories. If you're watching your calories, I wouldn't suggest this, but it got a really nice flavor. It contained 3 nuts, cashews, and milk. Next up is the Hickory smoke turkey jerky. This is what it looks like. I like it. Nice and sweet. It's 110 calories. Not too bad. I really like this one. Next up is the blueberry almond quinoa bites. This is a 3.5 ounce bag. It's 130 calories. It's made with roasted cashews, crispy rice, pumpkin seed, roasted almonds, dry blueberries, rice syrup, corn syrup, quinoa, palm oil, sesame seeds, natural blueberry flavor, and sea salt. Let's see what it looks like. Can you see it? Nice little square bites. This is what it looks like. You can see the blueberries and the almond and the little pieces of quinoa. Okay. It's kind of dry, a little bit sweet, not all that sweet, just a little lightly sweet. You really get a taste of the blueberry. Okay, what's next? Let's try the sea salt chickpeas. It's a 5 ounce bag, 130 calories. You see what this look like. I don't want to spill it. Kind of look like peas, like popcorn. You see, little piece. Ooh, it's dry. Got a dry taste to it. A little nutty, dry taste. I don't know. I don't know about these ones. Okay. Next is the peanut butter Noms. Mini peanut butter oat cookies. 4.5 ounce bag. 150 calories. Some of the ingredients are rolled oats, almonds, peanut butter, palm oil, salt, grape juice, and rice. I don't know how you say that word. Honey, sugar, and canola oil. Okay. You see it. This is what it looks like. It kind of look like crushed up oatmeal. You can definitely see the oatmeal pieces in it. And it kind of looks like they got chocolate piece in it, but I guess that's the peanut butter. And the smell, it got a weird kind of smell to it. Let's see what it tastes like. A little piece. It's definitely chewy, like a granola bar. I'll definitely say this tastes just like a granola bar, basically. Like a fat-free granola bar. Not quite sweet, just tastes healthy. Next up is Big Island pineapples, dry pineapple rings. It's 120 calories. Ingredients is just dry pineapples. This is what it looks like. You can see dried pineapples. Sticky. See? Smell just like pineapples. I'm that weird person that likes to smell my food before I eat it. See what it tastes like. Yeah, definitely tastes like pineapples. Really sweet pineapples. Okay. Yeah, I like these. And the calories is not too high. I would definitely order these again. It was a very popular on the website. It was at the top of mostly bought products. So a lot of people like it. Only 2 more items left. Oh my god. Next is the Cashew Crumble. Cookie covered cashews. 170 calories. I love me some cashew, but that's a lot of calories. So, this is what it looks like, the bag. It just look like really crushed up cookie pieces. This is what it looks like, if you can see. Can't really describe the smell. Kind of like a protein powder, I would say it smells like. Let's see what it tastes like. Okay. It tastes a bit like a chocolate chip cookie without the chocolate chip. If you get what I'm saying. Just the cookie part before you get that bite of chocolate. You don't really taste the almond right away, but after, then you get an aftertaste of the almond. It's mostly a cookie taste. Okay. Down to the last one. Coconut cashew. Two of my favorite things. I absolutely love coconuts. Oh my god. It's 150 calories. This is the bag. It's a 4-ounce bag. I like the way how they portion their stuff. They really give you a good amount of stuff to last like a couple of days. You can't just eat all of this in one sitting. Let's see. This is what it looks like inside. Ooh, you get a nice smell like coconut. Yep, this is what it looks like. Just, you can see the shape of the cashew, and you got little pieces of the coconut shells around it. Let's see what it tastes like. It's a bit sweet. It got a powdered taste, like, I don't know, maybe they added powdered coconut. Said cane sugar, coconut, rice syrup, natural flavors. You kind of have a little powdery taste to it, like a dry coconut taste. Let's see again. Yeah, still getting the same powdery coconut taste. Well, that's everything, guys. I got a total of 8 products. I would say my favorite was definitely the Hickory Smoke Turkey Jerky and the Big Island Pineapple. Those are definitely my 2 top favorites. If you haven't checked it out, I recommend you to go online to their website. They allow you to pick different products that you think you might be interested in trying, and you can always find discount on other YouTubers' channel. And it's not a bad deal. If you get it and you feel like it's not something you could commit to, then you can always cancel. So you can get the weekly subscription just to make sure if this is something that you would like to get every week, every other week, or every month. You don't want to sign up for something that you know you're not really into and you're not going to commit. Ain't trying to waste no money. If you like me, I'm cheap. I like to save all my coins for necessary stuff. But yeah, that was all I have. And I want to thank you for clicking on my channel. If you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe to my channel. And I look forward to sharing more videos with you guys. Thank you so much for coming, and have a blessed day.